Hi guys, we're back and we're going to go over our concept board this morning very quickly. All righty. This week we're studying the color orange. How do you spell orange? Let's do it. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Very good. What numbers are we studying this week? The number 4. 4. Good. And the number 5. Very good, boys and girls. And what letter are we talking about? The letter A. A. Good job. Good job. And our nursery rhyme this week is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay, let's go over our words. Ready? I, in, the, and, a, look, am. Good job. Good job. And our shape. Woo, that was fun. Our shape for the week is a square. And how many sides does a square have, boys and girls? 4. 4. We're also looking at spaces between words. We're looking at what a letter is. A letter is a written symbol that represents sounds. We're looking at words. A letter or group of letters that mean something when put together. I forgot that was back there. And we're looking at sentences, which is a group of words that expresses a complete idea. Okay, so let's get started with our lesson. Okay. So the first thing we're going to look at is the letter A. So let's take out our letter A worksheet, the tracing. And make sure that you put your name on it. I got my name on it. Alrighty. You can come back later on, boys and girls, if you want to color the pictures. That's fine. Come back later on and get that. But in this one, A is for what? Apple. Very good. A is for apple. So let's look at how the worksheet tells us to make the cap. Is this a cap? First, let me ask this question. Is this a capital A or a lowercase a? Capital A. Capital A. So we're going to start right here. We always look for our starting point. The starting point is number 1. That's the first thing we do. So it says go down. Which I don't like this because you're supposed to down and then across. Okay. So let's come down here. And we're going to trace them down, down, and across. And this is backwards to Miss Stacy. I always go up, down, and then across. So let's change that up, okay? Because when you're writing, everything should be one fluid movement. You should rarely pick your pencil up off the paper when you're writing, okay? I'm going to start here at the bottom and go up, down, and across. Up, down, and across. And then finish tracing those, taking your time. Finish tracing. You need to pause it to catch up with Miss Stacy. That's fine. And then come back. Okay? Make sure your pencil grip is on your pencil so that you are holding your pencil correctly. Okay. Like I said, if you need to pause it, that's fine. Flip your paper over. We're going to the next level, level 3. And that's writing. Okay. We trace. We have the movement of how the A is made. So now let's write it. Okay. So starting right here. Oh, and A is for what? Axe. Very good. Remember, I told you axe is what we use to cut down trees and bushes and things. Let's start here. Going up, down, and across. Finger space. Up, down, cross. Finger space. Up, down, and across. Last one. Up, down, and across. Okay. Then we come down because if you remember, we go from left to right and then back to the left. Okay. So let's do that again. Up, down, and across. Finger space. Up, down, cross. Finger space. Up, down, cross. Finger space. Up, down, and across. Come on down to the next row. Up, down, cross. Up, down, cross. So finger space. Up, down, cross. Last one, finger space. Up, down, across. Please make sure you are using your finger to put spaces between your letters. This will help us begin to recognize that we need spaces between words. Okay? All right, let's take out the second part of your handwriting today for the letter A, and that would be the lowercase name on the top. Okay, and with the lowercase a, first we make a C, and then we put the back on it. Okay, A is for possibly, let's say it's applesauce. Okay, there's an apple on top. It's in the pan. And you cook apples. A little tip right there. Right. Ah, that is applesauce. Yep, yep, yep. Because you remember, you know how when you eat applesauce, it has the little foil thing that you pull back. So that's what that is. That is applesauce. Okay. So this week, boys and girls, for the letter A, you can eat applesauce. If you were at school, we'd make applesauce. I love making applesauce. Once you get to school, we'll go back over the letter A and the M and the Q so that we can make some food. At the end of the week, we're always going to eat. Okay. Yes. Always have something fun for the letter. Okay. All righty. Here we go. So we're going to start the broken lines. We'll go around. We're making the letter C and then come down on the back. Make the C and then the back. Make the C and then the back. Make a C and then the back. Make a C and then the back. Okay, let's keep going. You see how they, even with the tracing, there are spaces between each letter. I don't want you to jumble it up. Our letters and our things spaced out nice and neat. Uh, Last week I saw the beginnings of some really good handwriting, boys and girls. So keep practicing. Next week we'll be in the classroom together. Can't wait to see you. All right, flip it over and let's look at our level 3 tracing or writing. Okay. This one is A is for alligator. Okay. So now we're writing, and remember with the writing, we have to put the space in with our finger. So let's trace it first. Circle around for the C and then put it back on. Finger space. Circle around, put it back on. Finger space. Circle around, put it back on. Around, put it back on. Yep. Down, circle around, put it back on. Finger space. Circle around, put it back on it. Circle around, put it back on it. Make a C. Remember, we're just making a C. You're not making a circle, just making a C. See that? And then you put it back on it. Finger space, make that C, and then you put it back on it. Make a C, put it back on it. Last one, make a C, put it back on it. Just that simple, guys. All right, moving on. Let's take a look at our color. Our color for this week is ORANGE, orange. ORANGE, orange. All right, so we're going to follow the dotted line and cut across the top, all the way across the top, following the dotted line. Okay, now says color orange and then cut and then glue. Okay, so we need to look for things that are orange. First of all, we need to put our name on it. Name on the top. Things that are orange. Let's trace the word orange. ORANGE. Now, get your scissors and let's cut pictures across, turn across the top. We're only looking for things that are orange. I didn't color mine, but you can color yours. So, what things are orange, boys and girls? Look at the first picture, picture of a pumpkin. Would a pumpkin be orange? Why, yes, it would. Yes, the pumpkin would be orange. So, we're going to put our little swirl. 1, 2, 3. The next picture is a picture of a carrot. Is a carrot orange? Yes, it is. Do it. 1, 2, 3. Next picture is a picture of an elephant. Is an elephant orange? No, I've never seen an orange elephant. But I guess I will have seen everything when I see an elephant fly. You've seen Dumbo, you know that song. What about the cat? Have you ever seen an orange cat? They're orange cats. What are they called? They're called catty cats. Orange ones, is that catty cat? Kitty cat can be orange. And the last one is a flower. Yes. Some beautiful orange flowers. So those four things you can color orange. A pumpkin, a carrot, a kitty cat, and a flower. All right, boys and girls? Good job, good job. And let's move on to our last and final. Well, for Miss Stacy, and then Miss Foster is going to take over the lesson. We're talking about sentence structure. Okay, so this sentence says, I see a cat. Okay, help me read it. Put your finger under each word. Touch under each word as we read it. Ready? Let's read. I see a cat. Yeah, great. So it says, I can count the words. So let's count the words. Ready? Count. One, two, three, four. You remember? The words are a group of letters. So how many did we say we had? How many words are in that sentence? Four. Let's write that number. Not ready? Swim down and over and down some more. Keep on swimming. Four. All right. Now it says, I can count the letters. Now we have to count all the letters of the sentence. So let's count them. Ready? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. There are eight letters. And then how many spaces are there? And the spaces are those things that are between the words. Count with me. One, two, three. Three. Now it says write the sentence. So here's the sentence, and we're going to write it. Okay, remember we need to use spaces. So we're going to start with the word I. I. Finger space. Next word is C. S. E. E. Finger space. A. Finger space. Last word is cat. And make sure you put that little dot there, period, so that your sentence doesn't skip off your page. That period lets us know that the sentence is stopped. I see a cat. Now it says draw a picture to match the sentence. So what would our picture then look like? If our sentence says I see a cat, then what would you draw a picture of? A cat. Okay. So let's draw a cat. And your cat can look any way you want it to. Okay. Some whiskers on my kitty cat. Got some eyes, body. Give him two arms. Give him two little feet. Mm. And then we give him a little tail. Okay? So there's our kitty cat. And we can color in our little orange kitty cat. All right, you got that finished. Okay, here's our kitty cat. Miss Foster is going to come in and finish up your lesson for today, okay, boys and girls? All righty, switching places. You can just put on Miss Foster.
Right, good morning, boys and girls. I have the privilege of teaching you guys numbers. So, what is our numbers? Oh, excuse me. What are the numbers for the week? 4, 4, and 5. Okay. What I'm going to do is we're going to be doing sets of numbers today. So, we're going to get this sheet out, the one that has the tracing on it. And what is the first thing that we're supposed to do? Write our name. Guess what? We're gonna write a new name on the book on the paper. This is how I spell my name. I'm gonna do it short. Ham. That is my name. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna count the number again. Then we're gonna practice writing.
So let's get started. So how many guests are in this set? Let's
One,
count.
2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
how many do we have? 5. Good job, good job. So we're gonna go over and we're gonna trace the number 5. So we're gonna swim down. Oh, I'm sorry, got the wrong one. Sorry. Good. The B goes down
And the
around the high,
buzz
to the top to make a 5. So we're gonna keep doing that.
The
B
B
goes down and around the high,
buzz to the top to make a 5. B goes down and
around the high,
buzz
to the top to make a 5. Good job.
to the best. Okay, let's go to the second. How many do we see here?
Let's count. 1,
2,
3, 4.
4.
So how many do we have? 4. Okay, let's trace. Swim down and over and down some more. Keep on swimming till we get 4. So down, over, down some more. Swim down,
And down some more.
good job. Now let's look at our last. How many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. 5. Here we go. We're going to trace the 5 again. It's the heel down and around the high. To the top. Make a 5. Heel goes down and around the high. Goes to the top. Make a 5. Heel goes down and around the high. Goes to the top. To make a 5. Good job. So let's go to the next sheet. This is where we're going to write it ourselves.
I'm going to write my name again. I'm trying to remember.
My name at the top.
Okay. So
Let's count again. The first thing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. 5 sets in the first set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do write my 5 again. Now,
B
goes
goes
down and around the high.
buzz.
To the top to make a 5. So I'm going to put, remember the space. Write it again. B goes down and around the high, buzz to the top to make a 5. Only did 2. Yes. All right. So let's go to the second set. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write the 4. Let's swim down and over and down some more. Down and over and down some more. All right. Our last set on this page. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we're going to do the 5 again. How many? 4? No. 5. That's right. 5. The B goes down and around the high. Buzz to the top to make a 5. Good job. All right. The B goes down and around the high. Buzz to the top to make a 5. Good job. The next sheet, we're going to be sorting our numbers. So I'm going to have to cut this time. I get the cut. I'm going to cut on this line, all the way on. Dotted line. Put this back in. I thought y'all won't give me this time. Writing my name. Yeah. All right. Let's sort it out. We're going to cut out that, and we're going to show the different ways to make each number. So I got to do some more cutting. I forgot. We got all this. So we're going to cut around. I don't have the privilege of having the dotted line on these, so I'm just going to have to do it on the straight line. Going all the way around. Okay, so let's cut out our. This is something new. Hold on. I missed it. Yes, all right. We gonna get through it. Um, I want you to cut out this. Cut out this. What do we got here? What is it? 2, 3. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna add those together. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put up 2 fingers. I got 2 fingers up, right? So now I'm gonna start adding 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because this right here in the middle, that's between the 2 and the 3, that means plus. And whenever you see that, that means to add the numbers together. So that's what Miss Foss did with her fingers. No, that's good. She did good. You add the numbers together. So that's what she showed you with her fingers. So good job, Miss Foss. Yes, thank you. What am I doing? That was the glue. That was glue. There you get the glue now. So where do we? So we already said that 2 plus 3 is 5. So where are we gonna put that on our sheet? 5. So we're gonna put a little down. All right. I'm going straight across. So we won't get all mixed up. Okay. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a word. A word is letter. Mm-hmm. Okay. So now we're going to figure out what the word is. Word. F-O-U-R. What is four? That is it. The word four. Okay. So where will we put it? Four. Good job. Yeah. I didn't cook too good. We gonna work on my cooking. See? All right, we're gonna go across. Next picture we're cutting. All right. What do we have here? These are pennies, coins. This is what we have in our pocket sometimes. You know that? Miss Stacy doesn't take this in the morning. Miss Stacy. She got all the money. She got all the money. So let's count the number of pennies. And a penny is equal to, we're going to learn this later on too, 1 cent. So 1 penny. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Four. So where are we gonna put this set of 4 pennies? Four. Absolutely. Right. I'm sorry, this is taking long. Okay. I don't want y'all to get restless. Nah, I don't want y'all to get restless. All right. Now we have what we call tally mark. Tally mark. You may have seen these. You may have seen them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But let's count the tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where are we going to put the tally mark? 4. Under the number 4. Good job. Let's go to the next. You should, oh, you have to say it. I'm just going to ask. It's a number. You. So what is this number? Oh my goodness. One, two, right. And where we're going to put the number 4? All right. Good job. I'm sure y'all don't need to teach this class. I think you have it. All right. Okay. Another favorite. Five. It's correct. So where is it going? In the 5. All right. I see you doing it. I see you. You're ahead of me, aren't you? Uh-oh. Here's a good one. Anybody recognize this coin? Nickel. Do you know how much a nickel is worth? 5 cents. You are amazing me today. 5 cents. So,
Where are we gonna put the nickel?
number 5. Good
Because it's
job.
worth 5 cents.
All right. We have next.
Okay.
I want you to give it to our next one.
There's another addition.
Sign.
Adding two numbers
Together.
together.
So we have number 2. We're going to add 2 more. So count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is that? 4. So where are we going to put the number 4?
Mhm.
Right. We have 2 more. We have another word. What word is it? Very good. See, I see y'all been working on this. You've been working well this week. So we have Five. Spell 5. So where are we gonna put the word 5? 5 column. Good job. Thank you.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh, last one. Tally mark. Well, what they do is they you down to make it 5. Stacy,
Mhm.
and you tell them, do you know why they do that? We will. We will. So let's count 'em. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, well, we're gonna put it.
That tag mark kind of separates, it ends that set. That's what it does. I have a set of 5 here, so that when you see this, and it has that slash across it, you automatically know that's a group of 5. So when you get older, you won't have to count. You'll know, okay, I can count 5 is 5, and then the next group is 10. So we'll get into that.
So where are we putting it again?
In
On
the
the
5 column.
That's it. Good job. All right. Good with our sheet. Awesome. Our next sheet. Now we are doing our rhyme. I do my. All right. Write my name. And I rhyme you. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. Do we need to say it? Let's say it. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9, 10. A big fat hen. Great. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to circle the numbers. The number words on the rhyme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Okay. Now, Miss Stacy told you on Tuesday that we were gonna be rhyming the
Mhm.
words. So we have the number. How do you do? We have the number two.
Yeah. So what we're going to do,
Boys and girls. We have
in the first sentence, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Let's stop right there. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Which two words sound alike, have the same ending sound in that sentence? Shoe and shoe. So, Ms. Foss, can you draw a line, connecting the line from shoe to shoe? Good job. And then circle shoe, Miss. Thank you. Because those two words have the same ending sound. Shoe, shoe. They both have the ooh sound. Okay, so let's look at the next sentence. Ready? Let's say it together. 3, 4. Shut the door. Let's say it again. 3, 4. Shut the door. So which two words rhyme in that sentence? Or door. Because they both end with or. Okay?
Good job. I'm gonna connect them that way.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna circle.
Good job. All right. The next sentence. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. Say it again. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. So, what two words rhyme in that sentence? 6, sticks. Good job.
Good job. Circle. And then do a line.
There you go. All right. The next line. 7, 8. Lay them straight. Say it again. 7, 8. Lay them straight. Which two words rhyme? 8, straight. Good job. They both have the 8 ending sound. And the last one. Ready? 9, 10. A big fat hen. Say it again. 9, 10. A big fat hen. So, what two words rhyme? 10, hen. They both have the N sound at the end. All righty. So let's go back and look at that. Which words rhyme? Two, shoe, 4, door, 6, six, 8, straight, 10, hand. Good job, boys and girls. Okay? All right. We're going to count how many shapes for each of these shapes that we have at the bottom. We're going to go over. Hold on a second. Let me put my name. Let's start with the color. All right. So, what shape is this? Rectangle. What color? And here's the thing, tell you something that a lot of people, some people, mm, don't worry about it. We'll talk about it. I don't want to. I don't worry about it. Mm-hmm. Okay, go on. Okay, so we're gonna color each rectangle in the group red. Let's get started with that. I'm gonna do this. So let's find the shapes. Okay. Is this a rectangle? Yes. So we're going to trace, and then we're going to. No. Well, what shape is this? Is this our shape for the week? It is. It's a square. A square. Good job. Good job. Okay. So we're not gonna color that. And we're gonna color all the rectangles.
Right. One rectangle. Rectangle has two sides that are the same and the
Two
other
short sides and two long sides.
So we have another rectangle here. There's a rectangle. Any more? Yes, one more. One more. It kind of looks like a square, but a square has the
Four
sides
equal sides.
equal sides. Right.
And that means they're all the same. And a rectangle has two short sides and two long sides.
Okay. The next one is triangle. And we're going to color the triangle yellow. This is the word we're going to color yellow. All right. So let's
Graph it. Graph it first?
yeah.
Okay.
Let's grab it. Let's go ahead and grab it.
Grab your red crayon again.
Red crayon, we're going to grab the rectangle. So here we have the rectangle. And what we're going to do is we're going to color the square. We have to count them first. So let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what we're going to count, we're going to change
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's 5. So we're going to come across right there because that's where you know that your line is going to stop.
Save it in. Color it all the way in. All right. Let's go on.
You can pause the video.
All right. So let's go with the triangle. So we're going to color all the triangles yellow. And start.
Triangle has 3 sides. That's fine.
Okay, so we're coloring all the three-sided shaped triangle. All right.
Awesome.
So let's count. Ready we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So let's go on the triangle. And we're going to grab the triangle.
Count up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So
Draw your line.
So you can stop right there.
But see, here's the number 4. There's the number 4 on your sheet. Come across. There you go.
Yeah. Good job. Now we have the circle. And the color for the circle is green. So, I'm gonna go green. So let's count. Let's color all circles green. All right. Now let's count our circles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now let's count up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Put a line there, and then we're gonna shade it in. Last but not least, we have a shape. Oh, give me a minute.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead. All right, we have the hexagon shape. The hexagon has how many sides?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Six.
Wait.
3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot. No, hexagon. Thank you. I was wrong. It's a hexagon. So it has how many sides? 6. Good job. 6 sides. So we're going to color it blue. So let's count all the sides. Yeah. Let's color all the hexagons. Blue. Color it blue. It looks just fine. Yes, thank you. All right, let's count our hexagon. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count up on our graph. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put our line at the top and we're going to start shading. All right. Well, now word. Your word work. Word work. Ready for your word work? Okay. All right, so let's look at the word look. Okay. I got that pointy finger. Let's try some spell and read. L-O-O-K. Look. Again. L-O-O-K. Look. Last time. L-O-O-K. Look. Let's put it down. Let's put it on our arm. Ready? Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. And you remember yesterday we wrote it 3 times. Look, look, look. Now we're going to write it from memory. Okay? Write it from memory. Ready? Here we go. L-O-O-K. Look. What we usually do, boys and girls, when you're in the classroom, we'll take it and we'll fold it like that and write it from memory, but you can do that at home if you want. Okay? Now, we're going to use our pencil and write a sentence. Okay? And the sentence will be, look at the cat. Okay? So, we're only going to write one sentence, not 2. Later on, we'll do more sentences. Okay? And I tell you what, I will use my marker so you can see it. Look at, make sure you have that finger space, at the cat. Okay? Look at the cat. Give you time to write that. Pause the video. And then we'll come back. Okay? Now, the next word is in. Remember we practiced that one? In. Okay? So let's hit the I, N, N. I, N, N. I, N, N. All right? Let's go down. Spell it on our arm. Ready? Begin. N. I, N, N. N. I, N, N. N. I, N, N. Good. Yesterday we wrote it 3 times. N, N, and N.
So write it from memory. Folding our sheet. How do you spell the word in? I-N-N. Okay? Yeah, we did a great job. We're going to use our look in the sentence. Look in there. Okay? Look. You know how to spell look. You know how to spell in. Finger space. In there. T-H-E-R-E. Okay? Look in there. And boys and girls, that concludes our lesson for today. See you guys in the library.